Hi there, do you know what I am here for today? You're right, this is a new house and we are going to renovate whole this house and I will show you from the scratch and you see that we don't have any inner walls, we only have outer walls and we will start with the brick laying and you see our brick is ready and I cut the outer wall about 50 millimeters. We'll go inside this wall a little bit to avoid the cracks. And let's look at the blueprints and mark the lines. And we will start with the bricklaying and review the our project blueprints, and you see we have an entrance door from here, and this is our corridor, and this is the first bedroom for kids. This is a kitchen, and this is a living room, and here we have two bathrooms, and which the small bathroom belongs to mom. And let's look at the dimension that I did recently, and I drew recently, and you see everything is ready, and I prepared two of the living room, two rendering for the bed living room, and I will prepare uh, for the another rooms, but it's not ready now. But our walls and ceilings, we have a light. Uh, we have lights on a ceiling, and we have a chandelier here, and we have a spotlights here, and also two wall lights for the walls, and two of them, and we have a gypsum modeling here, and TV for the TV, and you see we have a backlight behind the TV. Okay, that's all for today, and I will share the future, and it's a long way, and we will do flooring and plumbing, electrician works, plastering, ceiling, drywall, flooring, and even furniture we will do with you guys. And please subscribe and hit the notification button if you haven't watched our previous videos. Please watch them. You see, guys, and this is a heating system for the flooring, heating system for whole house, and I will show you how I do this kind of work, and I will share all this process step by step with you, and I will also share the plumber work, and let's review also plumber work together, how we will do that. use a fishing line, and you see I bought in make more visible line will be more visible with that, and you can buy a green or other color, make sure that it's visible, and we will use a laser level for the lines, and make sure that I use the for 90-degree angles, two vertical lines. Let me show you how it works. You see these lines provide 90-degree angles. Use for that I will mark these lines and we will start laying the bricks. Okay, let's get started. As you see, I using the laser level, I adjust the laser level according our blueprint, and I'm going to mark it like this, and I'll show you how to. And now we mark the lines for that using the drywall marker, and I use a blue color. You can use any color you want, and make sure that it's visible on the concrete. And let's mark another line. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's almost ready. And let's start with the laying bricks. I'll show you how I will do that. First of all, we need mark lines for the inner walls. Lines will be, and mark it with the pencil like this and like this. Make sure that you have a 90-degree angle. Okay, now we use a rival marking line, and the same thing we are going to use here. I use a blue color for marking, and now okay, here we go, and we use a cement compound with the sand. Forget to moisture the bricks because it sucks all the water from the cement compound, and we adjust the laser level and mark it in order make the top of the brick the same level. It's about 470 millimeters. For other side of the, and we use a fishing line for this, and let's adjust the aluminum profile for that. Okay, here we go, and we do the same thing for other side of our rolls. And now we start laying bricks, and we put the cement compound for apply the cement compound the floor, and we moisture the bricks. Okay, here we go. Line and control this with the top side. This way we can control. Okay, here we go. You got the point. And we have a corner here. The laser brick, a small piece of brick here, about 100 millimeters. This part of the brick, and when we will install the door, and it would be convenient for other door space here, and that's why we need the lay brick about 150 millimeters, but it's enough for the it's enough 100 millimeter for that. Okay, let's